just can't believe how overwhelming it all feels. Does your financial life look like this?
I can't keep doing this. I just can't manage them.
Managing your money is essential, but it's so time-consuming and honestly frustrating. What if you could stop feeling so overwhelmed? What if you could simplify everything and actually enjoy your life? You can.
Until I found this app, I was so frustrated. Now I can manage my spending like a pro.
It's like a breath of fresh air, a revolutionary app that does the hard work for you. It takes the pain out of bill paying and budget tracking so you can spend your time doing what you love, whether that's finding the perfect produce or just treating yourself. Pure's intuitive system keeps a seamless, accurate track of every single transaction, every single bill, and every single invoice.